Hello everyone, to introduce an easy way to help you checking your hard disk, HDD/SSD, health in Windows. By using this way, you can know the health status of your current computer hard drive. Since then, there are plans to repair and overcome the earliest. So now, let's get started. There are some ways to check, but in this video today we will use command prompt to do it. First, you need to open command prompt under Administrator Permission. Next step, you type KDSK into the command prompt windows. Waiting for a while for steps to check your hard disk status. The checking has been complete. The work performed in each steps and results. Here the system had performed. Stage 1, examining basic file system structure. Stage 2, examine file name linkage. Stage 3, security descriptors. And here is the final stage. Scanned the file system and found no problems. No further action is required. You can see some info on disk space and how many bad sectors of your hard disk. There are some other command prompts to check and fix the error for your hard disk. You can type in the command line /. to see more options. For example, when line /kdsk meaning you just check the current status of your hard disk without any error fixing if found. But if you use /kdsk/f, that means the system will check the hard disk status and also fixes errors on the disk during checking. That means the duration of performing the function will take more time to complete. You can see the detail of choose the right command line function to support you. Thank you for watching. Helpful for you guys. See you later in the next video. Bye bye.